Alright guys, today we're gonna talk about timing belts. Alright, most cars, the older models, Hondas, Toyotas, all have timing belt. Alright, some cars have timing chains, and a timing chain has a longer life than a timing belt. But timing belt, alright guys, here's a timing belt. Alright, this timing belt is timed according to when these valves in here, they open and close, the pistons go up and down. If the timing belt breaks, the piston will come up and hit the valve and break your engine into pieces internally. All right, and that's gonna be big bucks right there, and you don't want to do that. All right guys, so it's best to replace timing on time. You could do it every 60,000 miles. You know, this belt takes a lot of beating. A lot of mechanics, they cannot see it. You know, they're covered, they have covers on it, you cannot see it. All right, so this timing is what it does is it's pretty much timed. When the pistons go up, the valves open, close, pistons go down, so it keeps engine from interfering the components internally. And also it closes the valve so the engine can compress the air and fuel, then combust it, and then throw it out of the exhaust. The valves open and close. All right, everything is timed. All right, if the timing is off, engine is not gonna work, you're gonna damage the engine. So you should look into this. All right guys, also some cars have water pump driven by this belt. So if you're doing your belt, make sure you change the water pump with it. There's a couple of seals sometime in there, crank seal, and you could change the pulleys in there, the tensioner. But anyways guys, look into this. If your car has a timing belt, do it every 60,000 miles. You could take a little bit longer, 70,000 miles, but do it, because if you don't do it, you might just damage the engine, and that's gonna cost you more money to replace the engine. So instead of replacing your engine, just do a regular maintenance of a timing belt, which is replace the timing belt at 60,000 miles, 70,000 miles. All right, and this will also give you a coolant flush if you're changing the water pump with it, because all the coolant is coming out. Might as well just add in a new coolant and have a good coolant flush. All right guys, so there you have it. When to replace the timing belt and why you should replace the timing belt. Don't let the timing belt break. I have seen timing belts break. All right, sometimes forget timing belt breaking. These little teeth right here, they chip off and then they jump. So the timing is either retard or advanced, or you know, and that will make the engine interfere with the pistons and the valves as well. All right, you don't want to do that guys. The belt is a major timing component on this engine. All right, a lot of new cars, they have chain now, but most Acuras 6-cylinders, Honda Accord 6-cylinders, Honda Odysseys all have timing belt. All right, and guys, just pay attention, do the service on time, and that's it guys. Thank you, subscribe, and bye bye.